Guys, some people they are like there's a way they used to do their things that I don't understand. So there's this guy, he used to sell cockroach and rat medicine, right? So that time he used to come to the salon where I was learning work because I learned hairstyling, right? So he used to come to that place to market his produce. To market those things now. So do you know what he does? Like he used to do like woman. You know all these men that used to do like women, right? So when he comes inside the salon, the only thing he's going to do is good morning everyone. My he used to say it in Igbo, but let me say it in English. So he'll come inside and be like, good morning everyone. I sell cockroach medicine. So this cockroach medicine is very good. Try it and you'll not see cockroach in your house again. All those kind of things. Then the next thing you hear him say is, if you want to buy, contact me, and he'll start going. He won't even like he did not drop any contact to, but he will say, if you want to buy, contact me. Like, and I'm wondering, is this guy insane? And you know the worst of it, he will not wait to he will not wait to see if there's anybody that wants to buy. He will just say what he wants to say and then leave. And I'm wondering, like, does he even make sales? Because like the moment he finished saying what he's saying, I don't know if it's that he's shy or what, but how can you be shy when you're a businessman? How can you be doing business and then you're shy? So he will just say what he wants to say and then leave immediately. Like he won't even check to know if okay, if the customers or if the people there want to buy. He will just start going. Like there was a day on that he came and then said everything he want to say and then say like usual now. He will say, if you want to buy, you contact me, and then start going. And then one of the customers there was like that she was calling him, she wants to buy, but he had already left before she even say one. The guy and I'm wondering, is it that he's shy or what? How can you be a businessman and you're shy? And then the people in the shop were just laughing. In short, me in particular, any day I see, like whenever I see him, I used to laugh because he's just so funny. My madam in her words is, see what somebody carry in the womb for 9 months. Like she'll just be like, see someone's wasted 9 months. Because I don't understand. How can you be marketing a produce and you don't have confidence? Like sometimes I wonder, does he even make sales? Because I don't understand. How can you be a marketer? How can you be selling something and then you don't have confidence? So how do you expect people to buy from you? Like guys, think I'm well now. How do you expect people to buy from you when you can't even, you can't even advertise your goods with confidence? You don't even have the confidence. You just come and then say what you have to say and then go. Like this kind, concern you. At first, right? Like the first time, like when I was there, when I came there newly, right? I used to think maybe he's not maybe he's not selling that thing. Like I used to think maybe this is not his business, all those kinds of things now. But I got to realize that this is what he actually does for a living. And then when you're supposed to apply confidence, you're there being shy. I don't know, but some people do sha. So guys, don't forget to follow me, like this video, share and comment. I remain your one and only friend Zabi. So bye.